Gardening is the practice of cultivating plants, typically for food, decoration, or recreation. It can be done indoors or outdoors on a large or small scale. There are many different types of gardening, including vegetable gardening, flower gardening, herb gardening, and fruit tree gardening. Here are some of the benefits of gardening. Provides fresh, healthy food. You can grow your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs, which can save you money and ensure that you're eating healthy foods. They need proper care when growing. Plants improves air quality. Plants help to absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which can improve air quality both indoors and outdoors. Provides beauty and enjoyment. A well-maintained garden can be a beautiful and peaceful place to relax and enjoy nature. Reduces stress. Gardening can be a relaxing and therapeutic activity. Good for the environment. Gardening can help to conserve water, reduce pollution, and provide habitat for wildlife. If you're interested in getting started with gardening, there are a few things you'll need to do. Choose a location. Select a spot that gets enough sunlight and has well-drained soil. Decide what to plant. There are many different plants that you can grow in your garden, so choose ones that you'll enjoy eating or looking at. Prepare the soil. Amend the soil as needed to make it suitable for the plants you want to grow. Plant your seeds or seedlings. Follow the planting instructions for the specific plants you've chosen. Water and care for your plants. Water your plants regularly and provide them with the care they need to thrive. Growing juicy, homegrown tomatoes is a fun and rewarding experience. Here's a breakdown of the key steps. There are many types of tomatoes to grow. So firstly, choosing your tomato superstars. There are many varieties of tomatoes, from tiny cherry tomatoes to big beefsteak ones. Choose a variety that suits your taste and how you plan to use them, salads, sauces, etc. Timing is everything. Tomatoes are warm season plants, so wait until all danger of frost is past before planting outdoors. This is usually around late spring or early summer. Pick a sunny spot with good soil. Tomatoes love sunshine. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight a day. Plant them in well-draining, fertile soil. Amending the soil with compost or aged manure beforehand is a good idea. Seeds or seedlings? You decide. You can start your tomatoes from seeds indoors a few weeks before transplanting outdoors, or you can buy seedlings from a nursery. Planting your tomato plants. Space your tomato plants according to the variety. Generally, bush varieties need less space than vining ones. Support system for your tomatoes. Many tomato varieties grow tall and will need some support, like stakes or cages. Watering regularly is key. Water your tomatoes regularly, especially during hot weather. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering. Feed them for yummy tomatoes. Tomatoes benefit from occasional feeding with a fertilizer formulated for vegetables. Harvesting time. You can pick your tomatoes when they reach full color and are slightly soft to the touch. Bonus tip. Keep an eye out for common pests and diseases and deal with them promptly using organic methods whenever possible. With a little care and attention, you'll be enjoying delicious homegrown tomatoes throughout the summer.